What is up, boys? We got a different type of video today. Today we are doing DoorDash. Exciting, huh? Yeah. I drilled holes in the cooler and then I strapped it to here, and it's not going anywhere. And we got this in here just in case we get drinks, and I got a bag with other bags and other straps and stuff just in case if we get a lot of stuff. So yeah, I've done this a decent amount, so I figured I'd record it and make a video out of it. Alright, let's go. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I did it yesterday too. It was pretty dope. I did it for like a couple hours, made like $40. I think it averages out to about like 20 an hour or something. I wish I could move this thing back. Ooh. There we go. We got it. Okay. $12. First one. Here we go. There's a lot of traffic right now, so. And I have a plate on, so it can't be too much of a menace. But we could do a little bit of work. I got a new chain and tire on this bike, so it's feeling really good. Yeah, this is definitely the absolute worst time to go DoorDash. How far are we? 5 minutes. That's not that bad. It's up here on the right somewhere. Probably like right here or something. Okay, alright. Dive bar. That is a very creative name for a bar. Alright. Let's go. We're here, I think. Yeah, there it is. Oh wow. Yeah, for Miranda. Miranda.
Please confirm before taking off, please.
Yeah, sure.
Start the buttons.
Cool. Alright, thank you. You gotta take a photo of the receipt, boys. I did it. Simple enough. Ooh, it's not too far. Where's my bike at? There it is. Alright, let's go. We're doing good. Look, see? It fits quite well in here. Look, see? This is it. This is all we do. We just boop. Good. Good to go. Alright. Directions. Okay, we're going into the city. Oh, 20 minutes? That's rough. wonder why it's so much extra pay. This sucks. But we're on a bike, boys, so we're all good. Not running red lights, though, because I am not being a complete menace. There are still people out. I don't like being a menace there in the daytime. I'm a nighttime menace. I'm like Batman. Here to save the streets, one wheelie at a time. Oh my goodness. We are so trapped. Oh, this sucks. Go, cars, go. 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 Oh man, I can't take this anymore. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, we're done. Nope, we're done with that. Oh, yep, that's all the traffic I can deal with. Sure I don't get hit. I feel like this area is like Karen Central. Everybody I see gives major Karen vibes. This is what we call saving time, so we make more money. One way, look that way, we're good. One way. That way, we're good. There we go. Go through parking lot, even though we didn't have to. But it's okay. Oh, and I forgot to record dropping that off, boys. Yeah, but we got another one. So, where are we going now? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I'll record the next one. But we dropped it off, boys. Made $12. And this one is also $12. Where we gotta go? Where we gotta go? I don't know, but we gotta go. Oh, absolutely not, person. We are not doing that. No, no, no. We are not waiting for you. Absolutely not. Oh my goodness. More people to wait for. Huh. Fancy suit guys. Wonder what they are doing. Probably business things. Go. Go, let go. Come on. Go. 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 Got places to things to do and places to be. What the fuck? Hello? They're all red. This makes no sense. Is it broken? There we go. Finally! Other bike! Alright, where? Pizza. Alright, we'll go here. Just for a second. Hey, this is probably where I gotta go? Is that... yeah, I was right. Yup. Hey, picking up for John.
Who?
For John.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Go in there. There we go. Thanks. There we go, boys. Alright. So, here's how we do this. Ready? Watch. Your boy's a professional. I've already got an extra strap on there. Look, official DoorDash bag. And then this just goes there. Yeah, we strap that there. And that gets hooked there. And then this one gets hooked there. See? Solid. And then pizza goes in there. See? Solid. We got it, boys. We got her, boys. Package secure. $10, that's not too bad. We're getting on the highway with traffic, boys. My specialty. Ooh, look at that guy go. Ooh, look at him. New plate and everything. Look at him go. Alright, that's coming up here somewhere, boys. 3127. 3127. Up on the left. Three, 1, 2, 7. It's like part of these weird houses. Ooh, somewhere. Alright, boys. 3, 1, 2, 7. For John. There we go. There's the receipt. Where's 3, 1, 2? It's that one. They gotta hand it to the man. Three, 1, 2, 7. Here you go. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good day. There we go. I did so good. Fuck yeah. I don't. They have pins now. I got blacked the plate. You can't see it. $12. Nice. Don't switch zones. Absolutely not. I am going back to the city. Absolutely the fuck not. You think I'm crazy. You want to make me drive a half an hour for an order. Now we gotta rush and get back to the city, boys. You're... We got another one, boys. Alright, mad chicken. I had this place before. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name. Is this the right door? No? Where's the right door? Hello? Mad chicken. This is the right door. Hey yo. I'm picking up an order. That's it? Cool. Yeah. Thank you. There we go. We're at like $24, boys. Let's go. Asada. Alrighty. Go see Asada. I think that person found something. I wonder what they found. Directions. Where are we going? 10 minutes. I bet. I can do that. Let's go. Don't care what that light says. We're going. Am I going the right way? Fuck yeah. We're doing so good. Ow. We're killing it, boys. After this, we got like $30 already. There's so many people outside today. I wonder what they're all doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm making money riding. How much battery do we have left? Let me see. Oh, we're like halfway. We're good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boys, no! I was not prepared for that. Oh my god. Boys! No! You're dangling! Ah! I gotta put you back on here. Get back on there. Are you good? Oh my god, I was so concerned about y'all. Holy fuck! We're probably going right back over the same freaking area. Oh well. At least I know these streets, and I'm on a motorcycle. I'd be miserable if I was in a car. I would be throwing a fit. Oh my god, there's a kitty. Okay, we got it. Leave at door. 3422 and leave at the door. We got it. Which? Oh. Thank you so much. You have a good day. $12.50. We did it, boys. I've been to this house before. Oh my god. Actually, fuck. I think my old bike's around here somewhere. Let's see if we can find my R6. I don't know if it's still here or not. Oh my god, it's still there. My old bike. That's crazy. It's got a bunch of stickers on there now, but yeah. That was my bike, boys. Oh my god! Look at that! $30, boys! Let's go! This is probably gonna be a bitch and a half. But I'm here for it. What am I at now? 60? Like 65? That's crazy! Oh, we're killing it today, boys. Where we going? Apparently some sushi place. Ooh, it's down there. It's down there. It's probably where that fishy is. Yeah, sushi. Yeah. Oh, we're just gonna sneak in here like this. Oh, it's gonna be so hard to get out, but you know, we'll be fine. Sushi. Where's the sushi place? Is this the sushi place? I'm assuming this is it. Wow, this place is so nice. Hey, I'm picking up a order for DoorDash. Yeah, let me see. Oh wait. Allie?
For Allie.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go check it first.
Okay. Oh wow. Look how nice this place is. That's crazy. Holy shit, boys. This is $150 in food. I was thinking, I was like, ooh, I should come try to eat here. Absolutely not. What rich ass motherfucker DoorDashes $150 in food? I think we're ready. Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. We got it. We got it. We made it. We're ripping this. Thank you. Did it, boys. I forgot you guys were there for a second. Oh my goodness. I got distracted. $30 from that, boys. Look at that. That was dope, boys. That was worth $30.